There are tons of problems that can cause your furnace unit to make loud noises. Scraping, whistling, and popping sounds can mean anything from a loose part to a cracked heat exchanger. If you don't want there to be a gas leak in your house, I suggest you listen up. Today we'll be discussing different furnace noises and what they mean. Let's say you notice a loud popping noise when your furnace starts running. The source of this problem is inflation in your air ducts. When warm air reaches cold air ducts, the metal will enlarge to accommodate the new temperature. The popping noise may also be caused by contaminated gas burners. If the debris isn't removed from the gas burners each year, large amounts of gas will start to collect, allowing holes to form in your heat exchanger. When your furnace is making loud booming or banging noises, it might have been caused by a small gas explosion that occurs when there's a delay in ignition. Gas can build up in the combustion chamber when the gas burners in your furnace don't ignite on time. If the gas burners are not igniting efficiently, this is an indicator of a clog or a gas pressure problem. Do not try to fix a gas burner by yourself. Disassembling the heat exchanger or burners can cause a gas leak in your home. If a part is loose in your furnace, it will probably cause vibration. When it becomes too loose, it can break other components in both gas and electric furnaces. Call in a technician to inspect the blower motor, hot surface igniter, heat exchanger, or gas burners. A certified professional has the best tools and equipment necessary to tighten loose parts in your furnace. A majority of furnaces will produce a low humming noise while they're operating. If this noise is becoming noticeably loud, this is a signal of a severe problem with your blower fan or capacitor. To prevent damage to your fan, it's important to call a licensed technician to inspect and repair the blower motor. If your furnace isn't making noises, it may have other types of issues that are less noticeable, such as a carbon monoxide leak. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless, and tasteless, but can be fatal when inhaled. Carbon monoxide poisoning can happen due to a crack in the heat exchanger, and symptoms can include dizziness, nausea, and fainting. This is why you should install carbon monoxide detectors. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Let us know in the comments below what kind of problems you're having with your furnace.